Make a quick buck to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and for the month of November, we're going to talk about idioms related to money in some way, shape, or form. So our idiom, our expression today is a quick buck. Now, a quick buck means money made quickly, usually without much effort, and often through dishonest or unscrupulous or ethically dubious means, right? It means to earn money fast in a way that's not necessarily honest or normal. Maybe it's just not normal for your business. So I Googled and I researched and I looked up different ways to make money, 6 ways to make money fast. Back in the day when I was first getting started in my career and my life and my business, and I wanted to make money to buy something or earn something, there really weren't a lot of ways. I guess there's probably, since as long as there have been con men, there have been ways to make a quick buck, and there's been dishonest ways to make money and a lot of money. But I don't have any experience with those things, right? I just don't. Maybe I'm too naive, or I've led a very sheltered life, which I appreciate, leading a sheltered life. But, back when I was in college, kids would donate plasma. If they were short for money in college, they would go sell their plasma, or they'd donate blood and they would get some money in return for that. They would do tasks for other people. They might tutor or help other kids in school. They might do yard work for people, shovel snow, do physical labor type things in exchange for money. Nowadays, you could drive Uber. I believe Uber's going again now that the pandemic's slowing down a little bit. Or Lyft. I think that's another one. But then again, those weren't available. You could drive a cab, I suppose, back in the day to make a quick buck if you could get a job with a cab company. A lot of the things that they recommended are job related. Ask for overtime, do your tax return quickly, send your tax return in early. Well, how often does that work? If you don't have a job and you need to earn a quick buck, you want money, that's not really very great advice. But there are lists upon lists upon lists of hundreds and thousands and 50 and 10 and 25 different ways to make a quick buck online. All you have to do is research it. But would any of those really work for supersizing and growing our business? Not really. When it comes to wanting to get an influx of cash into our business for a certain project or reason, or for a spurt of growth, there's several ways we can go about it. We can look for outside financing. We can look for investors. We can, my favorite way is to offer something else to my existing customers, or to re-engage with customers that we've lost touch with. Those are the quickest, easiest ways I've found to get a quick influx of money into the business, but in a way that's consistent and congruent with what we're trying to grow and create in the world. When we're trying to supersize our business, we want to do long-term things that benefit the world. We don't want to do short-term quick fix things. Although there's a lot of hacks and strategies out there that you can use. There's lots of tricks and tips and hacks and things that you can use from a marketing perspective and a sales perspective to get a quick influx of cash. Think of the entire retail industry and how its entire foundation is on sales and discounting. Now, you may want to build your business that way. You might be in an industry that builds business that way in little short-term bursts. I choose to build over the long run and supersize and grow my business in a slow and steady pace, or sometimes in quick bursts of pace, depending on what the offers are that we're offering people and the problems that we're solving for them. But for the most part, a quick buck is not what I'm looking to earn in my business. We want to make money quickly? Sure we do. But we don't want to do it in a dishonest or unethical or even unscrupulous or marginally ethical way, at least in my opinion. So I would love to know today, when you want to do it and get an influx of money, increase your bottom line, or increase the cash flow that you've got access to in your business, what are the kind of things that you do? Like I said, I re-engage or create a new offer for my existing customers. What do you do? Share in the comments below so we can learn from one another, that we can make a quick buck in a way that's still consistent and congruent with our business and what we're creating in the world. Have an awesome day. Any questions or any money related idioms that you'd like to know the meaning of and the history of, hit me up in the comments below as well, and I will research them and add them to the list. I've got a random list of money related idioms, but if there's some that you'd like to know sooner rather than later, I'd love to cover those first. All right. Otherwise, I just randomly pick one every day, research it, and then share it. Have an awesome day. Any questions, hit me up. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting money-related idiom for November. No nonsense November. What does it mean? Where does it come from? How might you use it in your life and your business to supersize and grow your business right now? Have a great day.